Hello, I'm Ayako Sekiguchi from Wellness Kitchen. This time I will introduce red vinegar and the calculation of vinegar, that is. This time I want to try making a healthy food with a clear inner burning effect by hand. Red perilla is a word for each letter, that's it. It's a food that has been named after the resurrection power as it is, and it really contains a lot of nutrients. Moreover, it only comes out in a limited period from June to July. So when you find red stratum, I recommend making preserved food for summer health management. In this video, we will talk about the wonderful health effects and nutrients of red stratum and then red. I will also introduce how to make and use the finished stratum. Please watch until the end. At Ellen's Kitchen, we start with eating as a theme of anti-aging. We will continue to deliver information that will make your mind and body healthy. Please subscribe to the channel. First, let's talk about the bright red color of tomatoes. Tomatoes contain beta-carotene. They also contain vitamins B1, B2, B6, and 100. They also contain a variety of minerals such as calcium, magnesium, iron, and potassium. They are truly nutritious vegetables. In addition, they contain a variety of polyphenols which are particularly noteworthy. It's the purple anthocyanin, which is also found in red wine. I think many of you may not know that it contains a lot. Especially, it contains perylaldehyde, a fragrant component of shiso, and rosmarinic acid. These are the unique polyphenols of red shiso. However, this time, I think rosmarinic acid is particularly wonderful. So I would like to delve into it and tell you about it. Rosmarinic acid is a component that is abundant in herbs such as rosemary, shiso, lemon, and balm. It has very high antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. In recent years, it has also been useful in preventing allergies and hay fever. It has been attracting attention for its role in brain function and health maintenance. It is understood that it can help prevent cognitive disorders and Alzheimer's disease, and it has also been found to have an effect in reducing anxiety. It has an effect that suppresses the rise in blood sugar levels. It has an effect that suppresses the rapid rise of blood sugar and promotes the detoxification of the liver. It has a wonderful effect on the prevention of lifestyle-related diseases. In addition, it contains anthocyanin, a purple pigment, which has effects such as improving vision and relieving eye fatigue. The fragrance component, perylaldehyde, has strong antibacterial and preservative effects, promotes the secretion of digestive juices, and also has anti-inflammatory effects. Even with a brief introduction, it produces many wonderful effects. It's red shiso. This time, we will calculate the wonderful health benefits of red shiso and vinegar. Vinegar is also said to be useful for lowering blood pressure, burning fat, and controlling blood sugar levels. Since it's a food ingredient, by calculating it, it becomes the strongest food, right? It's a homemade health food. I hope it will be useful for managing your health in the summer. Here are the ingredients for red miso. It's red miso. There are 5.29 ounces of vinegar in a 1.057 quarts bottle. This time we will use pure rice vinegar, but you can use your favorite vinegar. If you use cider vinegar, it will be somewhat mild. And if you use black vinegar, it will have more amino acids, so I think it will be useful for fatigue recovery. That said, I'm thoroughly washing the veggies because it really gets rid of the dirt, you know. I put in 500 cc of water and let it boil. Since the soup has boiled, I add the sauce and let it simmer. To get the sauce to blend well, you need a bit more water. However, it's important to simmer the sauce thoroughly in this small amount of water. If you let it boil too much, all the purple color from the anthocyanin will dissolve. At this point, I also simmer the rosemary acid thoroughly. I let it simmer for about 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, you can see that the purple color has completely dissolved into the liquid. It's turned into a simple vegetable soup and it's done. Once it's in this state, it's perfectly done. Once the extraction is complete, turn off the heat. The result should resemble this. We've managed to get a nice purple color. Now, I'll strain this and transfer only the liquid. Please press the berries like this to squeeze out the juice. It's already quite thick and we've squeezed out the essence of the berries. It's a beautiful color, isn't it? Let's do a little more. Let's simmer it. We have about this much left, but we're going to simmer it down. We've been steaming it over medium heat since earlier, so we're going to simmer it down completely. Once we've done that, we'll take it off the heat for a moment. Just to be sure, let's measure the grams. We have about 6.7 ounces or roughly 100 cc left. It has reduced significantly. It's here. We just need to add some vinegar. When you add the vinegar, this anthocyanin changes color all at once, becoming a beautiful purple you see. This time, we have about 500 cc of this vinegar, and for that, we have about 100 cc of essence. If you concentrate it down to this much, it will last quite a while. If you don't reduce it enough, the water content increases, so the preservative effect weakens. Please try reducing it to about 100 cubic centimeters as a guide. This is the color from earlier, a very beautiful deep color, isn't it? We've completed the red vinegar. It was done in no time, but this is how you use it. It's really just like ordinary vinegar. The taste doesn't change that much just because it contains shiso, so it's not a big deal. You can really just use it in a dressing or mix it into rice. It can even turn your sushi rice pink. And also, when you're pickling white vegetables like daikon radish, adding a little of this shiso vinegar can turn them into a beautiful pink color. You can use it in cooking or drizzle it on at the end. It's a versatile health vinegar. This time I didn't add any sugar, so you can add a little to your liking and make it into a red shiso vinegar drink. I think it's good to use it in any way you like, so please give it a try. Yes, please take a large cup every day. The burning effect is enhanced by the combination of red shiso's rosmarinic acid and vinegar. It helps in health management by burning calories. I've been talking about this earlier. Making red shiso is a simple way to utilize the herb. This guide explains how to cook it. The red and other pigments are extracted, but beta-carotene is water-soluble. Since it doesn't dissolve in water, it contains a lot of usable nutrients. We will utilize this as it is. This time, we will cook with sesame oil to dissolve the nutrients that dissolve in oil. After that, we will add a little accent with chili oil, rock sugar, and raw chili pepper. We will finally chop the red pepper from earlier. We will shred the raw ingredients. Sesame oil is added. Lightly fry the raw ingredients and it's time to chop. The sauce is also added at this stage. Beta-carotene also contains food glue and other things, so it's not wasted even if you use it. If you remember how to use it like this, you can eat it without any rules, even if you use it in other dishes. Once it's cooked, add the seasoning. It's mirin. It's sugar. Then simmer until there is no more water. Add chili pepper to taste. That's it. It's quite a light accent, so it goes well with rice and as a side dish. It's delicious with any ingredient. When there's enough moisture throughout and it's all gone, turn off the heat. This time it's rosemary with red pepper. We introduced the strongest red sauce for grilled dishes, taking into account the health benefits of acid and vinegar. It's great for summer appetite loss, fatigue recovery, and antioxidation. It's very effective, so it can also help protect against damage from ultraviolet rays. Please use it for your health management. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in another video. Thank you for watching.